Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging radical problem. In this problem, x is given to us cube root 4 plus cube root 2 plus 1, and we have to evaluate the expression 3 over x plus 3 over x square plus 1 over x cube. So let me begin this video with one algebraic identity. It is a cube minus b cube first. So I will write a minus b. Second bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. This formula we know. Now I will apply here a equal to cube root of 2 and b equal to 1. See what will come out. I will write here cube root of 2 whole cube minus 1 whole cube equal to cube root of 2 minus 1 in second bracket, cube root of 2 whole square plus 1 square plus cube root of 2 times 1 is 1. Product will be cube root of 2. Okay. Now cube root 2 whole cube, it would be 2 minus 1 equal to cube root of 2 minus 1, and this term cube root of 2 whole square, we will use the identity a power b whole power c. It is equal to a power c whole power b. Using this identity, I can write cube root of 2 whole square as 2 power 1 over 3 whole square. So we can swap both the powers, 2 power 2 whole power 1 over 3. So it will become 4 power 1 over 3 or cube root 4. So here I can write cube root 4 plus 1 plus cube root 2. Now LHS you can see it is 1. So I will write here 1 equal to cube root of 2 minus 1. In this bracket I will write cube root of 4 plus cube root of 2 plus 1. Now you can see only as per given x, the RHS, this value is here. So if I will write that value, it would be 1 over cube root of 2 minus 1. So let me write here x equal to cube root of 4 plus cube root of 2 plus 1. This value will be 1 over cube root of 2 minus 1. From this equation, x will be equal to 1 over cube root of 2 minus 1. Now we will evaluate 1 over x square, 1 over x cube, and then we will put the value. Let me write here x is equal to 1 over cube root of 2 minus 1. So I can write 1 over x would be cube root of 2 minus 1, reciprocal of both sides. So 1 over x is done. Now you can consider it is 3 times 1 over x plus 3 times 1 over x square plus 1 over x cube. So my target is to find out 1 over x, this value, and this value separately. So 1 over x is done. Now let us calculate 1 over x square. So I will write here 1 over x square. Let's consider whole square. So I will write cube root of 2 minus 1 whole square. So this value will be a minus b whole square. So a square. So I will write cube root of 2 whole square plus b square. So 1 minus 2ab. So 2 times cube root of 2. Done. Using same property, I will swap the powers. So 1 over x square I will write cube root of 4 minus 2 times cube root of 2 plus 1. So this value is for 1 over x square. Now let us calculate 1 over x cube. So I will consider the cubing both sides. So 1 over x cube will be cube root of 2 minus 1 whole cube. Now I will use one identity, a minus b whole cube. Let me write the formula a minus b whole cube. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if I will apply here, then I can write a cube. So I need to write cube root of 2 whole cube. It will become 2 minus b cube, so 1 minus 3a square b. So I will write cube 2 whole square, b is 1, plus 3ab square. So I will write cube root of 2. So ultimately I am getting 1 over x cube as 2 minus 1 minus 3 cube root of 4 plus 3 cube root of 2. So if I will write finally, because 2 minus 1 is 1, so I can write 1 over x cube will be 1 minus 3 cube root of 4 plus 3 cube root of 2. So this is our 1 over x cube value. Let us put over here in this expression all the three values, 1 over x square, 1 over x and 1 over x cube. Let us put. So I will write LHS 3 times 1 over x plus 3 times 1 over x square plus 1 over x cube. So I will put now 1 over x value. 1 over x was cube root of 2 minus 1 plus 3 times 1 over x square value. So this value was cube root of 4 minus 2 times cube root of 2 plus 1. And 1 over x cube was 1 minus 3 times cube root of 4 plus 3 times cube root of 2. Now we have to only simplify to collect our final answer. So let me write here the expansion, the multiplication. So I will be writing 2 times 3 times cube root of 2 minus 3 plus 3 times cube root of 4 minus 6 times cube root of 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 3 times cube root 4 plus 3 times cube root 2. Now cancel whatever we can cancel. See, cube root of 3, cube root of 3, cube root of 3, 3 plus 3 and 6 with negative sign. So we can cancel all the three terms. Now cube root of 4, cube root of 4 with multiple 3. So correct, we can cancel. Now you can see 3 with plus sign, 3 with minus sign, we can cancel. So what is left? That is only this term left. So 1 is our final and correct answer. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Good luck and take care of yourself.